left with plus x, because 7x over 7 is x. When you take plus 7 out of plus 7, you're left with plus 1, because plus 7 over 7 is 1. Do you notice that x plus 1 and x plus 1 are on both sides? So you've got a common factor, because this, if you look at it critically, this is one term and this is another big term. It's just like saying, it's just like when you have 2xa plus 7a. A is common to both of them, so you can take a out. You're left with 2x plus 7, isn't that? In this case, your a is x plus 1 because it's common to both of them. So you're left now with taking this x plus 1 out because it's the common factor. So it becomes x plus 1 out. And what is left? 2x plus 7. Just like it happened here. So that's what we do when we factorize. Look at the steps, okay, and follow it religiously. Look for the factors of AC that can add up to give you B. And in this case, A times C in the question was 14, plus 14, and B was plus 9. So what if we had a different question? Quickly, what if we had, so factorize x squared plus 5x minus 6. Solve this, you're going to ask, what is my A, what is my B, and what is my C? If you look at this in the light of ax squared plus bx plus c, you notice that your A is 1 because there is no other coefficient other than 1 in front of x squared. So A is 1. What's your plus B? Plus 5. So B is 5. And what's your plus C? Minus 6. So what's C? 6. Minus 6. C is minus 6. If you take C as just 6, then you're wrong because there is a minus here. And this is same thing as plus minus 6. This is plus C. And this is plus minus 6. Now, therefore, we shall look for factors of minus 6 times 1, because that's AC, right? AC, because AC is 1 times minus 6, which is minus 6. That will add up to give plus 5. Now, what are the factors of minus 6 that we know? We've got 1 times minus 6. You've got minus 1 times 6. You've got 2 times minus 3. You've got minus 2 times 3. What else? Nothing. These are the factors, right? 1 times minus 6, minus 1 times 6, 2 times minus 3, minus 2 times 3. Which of these guys shall we add up and get plus 5? 1 plus minus 6 is minus 5. No. Minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5. So this is the guy. So we go back to the question and say, therefore, x squared plus 5x minus 6 can be rewritten as x squared minus 6. Now, plus 5 will be broken down into this guy, right? So minus 1x plus 6x. So that is minus x plus 6x. Have we changed the question? No. We're fine. Therefore, what's common to these two and what's common to these two? X is common to these two. So when you take x out, you're left with x minus 1. And when you take 6 out, because 6 is common to these guys, plus 6, you're left with x minus 1. And x minus 1 is common to both terms. So therefore, x minus 1 can be taken out. And what are you left with? You're left with x and 6. X plus 6. Voila. Now, this is factorization because now we've got the factors of this expression. The factors are x minus 1 and x plus 6. Confirm your answer before you go. What if x is 1? Will I still get the same answer in these two?